Highway 407 westbound ramp to Highway 401 is completely blocked right now because of this A-train transport truck. Caught the edge of the slush on the side of the road. Driver lost control. The tractor mounted the steel guide rail and over the concrete wall. Tractor ended up in the grassy ditch area between the ramp and the 407. Crews are on scene right now trying to get this thing separated. The trailers are empty. The back trailer took out the right side steel rail as well. You can see the twisted metal here as well. I spoke to the driver, he's all right. I've also seen the video from the Highway 407 ETR cameras showing the driver approaching this ramp and losing control. It happens fast. The ramp itself was clear, but it looks like there was some snow on the shoulder. Driver caught that shoulder and ended up going sideways, jackknifing, and then ending up on the ramp here sideways, blocking all lanes. You got crews on scene working on getting this recovered. Snow is still coming down. It's gonna be a few more hours before this is all completely cleaned up and reopened. Plows and salters will come through before it's reopened. We're still dealing with the other issue down the 427. And again, this is winter driving, so please drive to the conditions, slow down, and be careful out there, particularly on those ramps and corners and curves when you need to make sure you're paying complete attention to your speed and your surroundings. Please be careful, drive safe, and try to stay out of the ditch.